What's up, guys? It's Justin with Southern Key. I'm working on a 2003 Land Rover Discovery today. The customer has a working remote head key, but they want a new key that actually has buttons. So we're going to try to do that with the Smart Pro today. As you can see, I went in under the Europe filter, checked the VIN plate, and this vehicle was produced in the UK. So went in under the Europe filter, Land Rover Discovery 99 to 2004. It's a non-transponder, so we're just going to do the remote portion of it. So we hit remotes connect, switch ignition on. Since we have a working remote, we're going to go to remote information here. Hit the green button, press remote to ID. Now when you do this, you need to be pushing this button like as soon as you hit OK. You need to be already pushing this button. So hit OK, remote not recognized. See, it's kind of sketchy. You might have to try a couple times. Hit play, remote OK, remote not recognized. See, it may take a few times to do it, but it will read it. Remote number 2. All right, so the customer's remote is under remote slot 2, so that procedure worked. Now we're going to go to program remotes, hit the green button, remove key from ignition. All right, keys out. Okay, select remote slot. We're going to go with remote 1 since we already have 1 in slot 2. Hit OK. Now on this part of it, it's asking for a PIN code. When you buy these Land Rover remotes on this particular make and model, there's a giant long PIN code underneath those barcodes. As you can see under the top one and the bottom one, there's a long series of numbers. You're going to enter every single number and symbol and letter between those stars. So I'm going to pause the video and come back after I've got that entered. Alright, so after you enter the PIN code, this is the screen you're going to get after about 5 seconds. The procedure's complete. You're going to want to unplug the Smart Pro from the OBD, cycle the ignition on, and then back off. And then test your remote. There you go. 2003 Land Rover Discovery using the Smart Pro.